Social media is a great opportunity for you to connect with your customers and promote your business. If managed effectively, social media is a powerful tool. In this video, we'll provide you with a high-level plan to run an effective social media campaign. To begin with, now is the time to review your existing online presence, if any, and what social media channels you'd like to use. Make sure your business profile is fully complete with information such as contact details, opening times, and photos. Now that your profile is ready, understanding your target audience and demographic is key in planning what social channels you want to focus on. You might be overwhelmed by the amount of social media channels out there, so, as a simple rule, focus on reaching your audience on the channels they use most. Your offering, audience, and the industry you serve will help you decide which social channels will work best. If you're a small retailer and have physical products you want to sell, you may see more value in using visually engaging channels like Facebook or Instagram. If you're a professional service or business to business, LinkedIn is most appropriate. Now that you've decided which social media channel to use, what do you want social to achieve? And what do you expect your audience to do on your page? Your mission statement should be a formal summary of your aims and values. Every marketing campaign should have clear, realistic objectives and key performance indicators to measure your campaign's success. Whether your goals are to increase your reach or boost conversions, these metrics will be captured. So decipher where you are now and where you want to be over a set time frame. The most tactical part of your campaign is the planning, curation, and deployment of your content. If your content is on Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter, you should make your communications more personable and visual. On LinkedIn, your content should be more formal and inspirational. Remember, nobody will want to share or like anything without reason to. As a tip, see what your competitors are doing well and tap into current trends. Where possible, make sure it ends with a clear call to action. For example, learn more. There are a number of social media management platforms such as Hootsuite that allow you to schedule, manage, and publish your content. If you have the budget and want to expand your reach, all social media platforms have campaign management tools in place to help you boost your content. You can find out more via the useful links on this webpage. Throughout your campaign, analyze its performance. If your posts generate engagement, your following is increasing, or you notice a boost in website traffic, you're on the right path. If not, be patient and optimize. We hope this guide to running a social media campaign was useful, and good luck. For more information, see the useful links section of this page. Feel free to share this content at any time by clicking the share button below.